Hey guys, I'll be showing you guys how to get the biggest control possible in fish. Yeah, fish. So fish, we're gonna use either some rod or champion's rod. The fossil rod right behind you when you teleport to Atlantis, and some rod at the third camp for $300,000. And champion rod 80K. So the first thing you need is either this rod, champion's rod, or summit rod, or any other rod that have a control that is 0.25. So like champion, so like this rod or champion's rod. And if you test it out right now, you see that the bar isn't that. Okay, why did it catch? Okay, the bar isn't that big. So what you need is an enchant relic. Well, some enchant relics. This might take a little while. You need an enchant relic right here. Right here. Right. And once you get some relics, at least okay, my thing is lagged out. At least three. But at least three enchant relics. You wanna go to keep a water and get controlled enchant. Like my king's rod and my summit rod. Once you got the controlled enchant on either champion's rod or summit rod, you're gonna go somewhere with the fish and the bar is like though. Not really. See guys, the bar is huge. Since most of the I'm pretty sure most of the freaking enchants with relics you just got buffed. Like see Overlord just got buffed to 50%. Yeah. Or rather, okay. What is it? Oh, I forgot how big this thing is. Holy flip. It's not even showing up. Oh, flip, I didn't get 2%. Oh, anyways, so, yeah, the bar is freaking massive. I think it's bigger than the whole brick rod. And I'm not joking. So nice. But I don't have the velvet version. It's absolutely massive. And for some reason, I don't know why, but my rod keeps adding plus 10% progress speed, which makes it that it's kind of easier to catch crystallized sea dragon with summit rod. Since you gotta get a big bars and a bait that has good luck in the arena. But the bar is freaking massive. Like, dude, it's absolutely humongous. Wait, this is bigger. I think this is bigger than the whole freaking brick rod. I think this is at least like about the size. The control is about the size of like the Spectre rod, but it might be bigger than the whole freaking Abyssal Spectre rod. Alright guys, that's all. Yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Guys, is this